extremely useful car accessories. Every car owner has to put up with some diet times every now and then. Things like flat tires, dead batteries, etc. are the kind that can leave you high and dry. While advancements in technology have more or less cured some plaguing issues for car owners, no one wants to see their car in a bad shape. We came up with a list which is not exhaustive but covers almost all of your needs. Multipurpose vacuum pump, a simple but very useful handheld vacuum pump for pumping various liquids. You can pump gasoline, you can try oil. Although it seems to be not for viscous liquids, you can also water for irrigation. In any case, this is better than draining the gasoline in the old-fashioned way. The reusable self-priming siphon kit for pumping fluid includes 2 long hoses with a probe tube, and the safe removal and insertion of fluids such as petroleum gas and water, and air pump hose and adapter for inflating air into tires, etc. A sturdy solid plastic pump provides ideal pressure with a quick transfer of the siphon, and thick plastic hoses to ensure no leaks or cuts. The rubber tube of the dipstick transmits oil without melting from heat. High-quality acid and water chemically resistant equipment. Plastic anti-slip chains. Do you think snow chains are only needed in winter? No. If you like to go out into the countryside or just often go hunting or fishing in a regular car, then this accessory will definitely come in handy. They are installed quickly, are inexpensive, minus disposable. But they will save the clutch and save gasoline if they get stuck in the mud somewhere. These plastic anti-slip chains can be used in snow tires, slippery mud, slippery and icing situations. It is easy to use, can be used in any occasion with a temperature. Folding sun visor, convenient folding sun shield for a windshield. It will come in handy in the heat when the dark interior heats up so that it is impossible to sit in the car. Unique design allows it to be installed easily using suction cups. When you're ready to drive, you can fold up the sunshade and easily store it anywhere in your vehicle. The durable design ensures that the windshield cover provides the necessary cool in summer. It is designed to prevent your car interior from heating up and blocking the sun's UV rays from hitting your car directly. This product is made of memory aluminum alloy. The folding problem can be recovered by manual folding and can be folded repeatedly without affecting the use. TEU T210E Mini Digital Clamp Meters, great multimeter ticks for home and car. They have almost all the functionality of multimeters, but they still allow you to measure currents without breaking the circuit, which is just defined for a car. With their help, you can detect leakage currents, ring the circuit, measure the voltage of the battery and generator, and more. Top for your money. Ultra-portable tools for advanced electricians, true RMS response for AC current. 100-day AC and DC current measurement with 1 mA resolution, VFC function for measuring signal. 600 volts AC and DC voltage measurement, resistance, diode, continuity and capacitance functions. Non-contact voltage detection with LED indication, display backlight. Car light, simple and cheap lamp. It is made in a convenient plastic case, 36 LEDs are installed inside. There is a switch. It may be suitable instead of standard fixtures with an incandescent lamp, but it is better to clarify this point. It will be ideal for those who like to go outdoors with an overnight stay. Clock with logo, stylish watch with a logo on the dashboard of a car. Can be installed on deflectors. You can choose from about a dozen brands, BMW, Audi, Volkswagen, Honda, Mercedes and others. There are flat, there is a convex shape. Battery powered, which is very convenient. Protective cover for car, a simple, reliable and inexpensive car cover. Perfectly protects from UV rays, bird droppings, dust, thereby preserving the paintwork. It is made of dense synthetic material, and therefore does not get wet, does not decay and dries quickly. Fold, throw in the trunk and you can go. That's all for now. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.